Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Today we are going to talk about the interesting topic. It's 8th standard book story reading. Okay, let's start the video. Vitri was once a successful businessman in Delhi. Vitri Construction was once a leading construction company. His company constructed many shopping complexes, houses, and a few apartments in and around Delhi. Everything went well until his father died. After his father's death, his brothers demanded to split the wealth as they wanted to start their business separately. From then on, Vetri found it difficult to establish his business. He took loan to run his company, but he could not pay the loan. So he sold all his properties and paid the loans. Vetri found a job and started to lead a normal life. But he always longed to start a new construction company. But he did not know how to get money to start a company. No one was ready to lend him money. One day, as he discussed with his wife said, "Why don't you ask your friend Azib? You often say that you are good friends." Betty replied, "Yes, but he is in Chennai. He is very busy with his business. I don't think it would be easy to meet him." Wife asked, "Why don't you give it a try?" Vetri said, "I have not seen him for a long time. What will he think of me if I ask him to help now?" Wife said, "Then forget the idea to start a new business." Vetri, after deep thought, decided to meet his friend. He told his wife about his discussion and took the next available train to Chennai. On the day of his travel, Vetri boarded the train. His memory went back to his school days. They lived in the beautiful village near Delhi. The village had a middle school. It is in the school where Vetri had met Asif. The students and teachers of the school would never forget Vetri and Asif and their friendship. They were always together in learning and playing. Their friendship started on the first day of school when Vetri's parent dropped him at the school. He started crying. Asif consoled him with a chocolate and said, "Don't cry. We will play after the bell." After that day, stayed together, played together, and even exchanged their food. Their friendship grew stronger with time. They were always good in studies and helping each other in lessons. They also helped others with their lessons. One day there was a quarrel between Vetri and Asif's families, and both families stopped talking to each other. To everyone's surprise, they continued to be good friends. There was always a healthy competition between them. Surprisingly, the exam, the results, and their marks never affected their friendship. Their friendship continued till 10th standard. Then Vetri moved to Delhi and Asif to Chennai. Asif started his business in Chennai and settled it there. Vetri always wanted to meet his friend but never had the chance to visit Chennai. Vetri went straight to Asif's office. As he reached the gate, the security stopped him. "Who do you want to meet, sir?" Vetri nervously said, "I want to meet Asif. I am his friend." The security was shocked. "Mr. Asif is the MD. Are you sure you want to meet him?" Vetri hesitatingly said, "Yes, I am his friend from his native place." The security said, "Check with the people in the reception. I don't know if you will get an appointment." Vetri walked to the reception. Receptionist asked him, "How can I help you?" Vetri said, "Can I meet your MD? Please tell him Vetri from Delhi has come to meet him." Suddenly, the receptionist rose from her chair. The door behind Vetri opened. Vetri got a pat on his back. "Finally, you found me. I saw you through the CCTV. camera, said Asif. Vetri was speechless. Vetri gathered. No, Asif, I never got the chance to visit Chennai. Now I have come to attend my friend's wedding, so I thought I will come to meet you. They spoke about their school days and the fun they had. Then they discussed about their business. Asif took Vetri to his home for lunch. Vetri was surprised to see that everyone knows him. Asif's wife said, "We all know you, but this is the first time we are meeting you in person." He stayed till the evening and Asif dropped him in the railway station. Vetri reached home and told his wife everything in detail. She knew her husband, so she did not ask anything else. 2 days later, Vetri received a call. "Am I speaking to Vetri?" Vetri said, "Yes." The voice said, "Our MD, Mr. Aziz, has assigned a project to you. He wants to meet you. Will you be able to come to Chennai?" Vetri could not believe it.